G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie. Welcome to another What Tradies Want Tradie Tough Test. We've got the Paslode Coilmaster getting put through its paces today. We're catching up with Ryan and the boys from Cottage, Carpentry and Construction. So look, we've got some cladding happening today and the boys are using the James Hardie fibre cement weatherboards, which is really important. They're actually combining with the 50mm stainless steel nail, basically because we're out here, we're in the northern beaches, we're within a salt spray zone, and the stainless steel nails really ensures the longevity of those fixings. You won't have any rust runs on the boards, and basically you won't have any callbacks from angry customers in a few years' time. So it's great to see these 50mm nails penetrating those fibre cement boards so well. And what you'll find is quality coastal builds use stainless steel fixings to guarantee a compliant high-end finish. But before we do that, we're going to jump in and check out some of the features of this awesome gun that's bringing a pile of added efficiencies, performance and safety to sites all around Australia. So it's the versatility and the flexibility of this gun that's making it an absolute game changer. So regardless if you're doing things like strap bracing, you might be putting up grips, you could be doing fencing, cladding, flooring. There's so many amazing uses for this gun. It's really that flexibility that's made it a real game changer on site. But of course, it also comes down to the fact that forget about the compressor, forget about the hose, winding it, getting tangled in the scaffolding. You can see the site where the boys are working today. They've had a pile of excavation on board, and it really is a really hard site to navigate up through the scaff and the stairs and whatnot. So the fact that we can replace all of that stuff with the heavy compressor and the hose, it's a win-win-win. So let's check out some of the awesome features on this product right now. So when it comes to changing the nail tray, you can see how quick and effortless it is to get that open. You've got the adjustable tray holder in there as well for various size nails. We're using the 50mm stainless steel today, but you can just see how quick and easy that process is. We've got a 200 nail capacity in there, which is awesome. So the Coilmaster is powered by the Impulse gas, so this covers you for 800 shots, super quick and easy to reload and get working. But when it comes to the lithium ion battery, it's going to cover you for 4,500 activations. A feature that Ryan and the boys have loved today is the nail depth adjustment. Super easy to dial that in for precise results time and time and time again. But look, let's catch up with Ryan right now and we'll have a chat and see how it's performed for him on site here at Bilgola.
Hi, I'm Ryan Dorff from Cottage Building and Carpentry. We're just here at beautiful Bilgola Beach, the Serpentine, and we're fitting some Hardie plank cladding using the Paslode Coiler. We've been here 6 months, started in the ground with some pretty extensive excavation. We've made our way up to the top and we're onto cladding. So we're installing the Hardie plank. Originally we used the compressor and the lead, but since being dropped the new Paslode gas coiler, it's just been a game changer. Yeah, look, I was skeptical that the Coilmaster would actually, being a cordless tool and not having the power from the compressor, I didn't actually think it would shoot into the Hardie plank, but it just went in perfectly, and being able to adjust the depth was amazing. The Coilmaster is much lighter, it's much more ergonomical, it feels great on your hip, hooked onto where your hammer goes, it doesn't bang and clang and the cord doesn't get caught. It's just honestly, it'll be a great addition to our kit.
So guys and girls, there you have it. You can see just how well the Coilmaster's gone for Ryan and the boys on site here today at Bilgola. So the game-changing Coilmaster delivers on reliability, comfort and performance. I think really stepping away from the compressor and the hose is a big step forward. It's a win-win-win. So look, next time you're in store or in the market, check out the Coilmaster. It won't disappoint. Till next time, my name's Jamie. Stay really safe on site. We'll catch you soon.